So my Mac froze again for like, I think it's the 20th or 21st time. Basically started happening again as soon as I updated to the latest 10.15.4 update, Catalina again. I was on point 3 for a while and it just wasn't really freezing. It maybe froze once in like a few months. And before that, it was freezing a lot on Mojave. That was like 10.14.5 and 6. It was freezing a lot. Now it looks like that bug has come back and basically just always freezing my Mac. I'm contemplating like selling both and just going with a Surface Book. But the Mac does have terminal and like vector graphics, which makes it really hard to like change platform. Yeah,